The common palm civet belongs to an ancient lineage of cat-like animals known as the Viverridae family. She is an elusive being, native to Southeast Asia. In her wild habitat, the civet is a nocturnal hunter, a forager, and plays an important role in the ecosystem as a seed disperser and pollinator. But the civet is most recognised for her role in the production of Kopi Luwak, the world's most expensive coffee. Made from coffee beans that have been partially digested by her gut enzymes, Kopi Luwak can sell for as much as $100 per cup, prized for its unique taste and its rarity. Except Kopi Luwak isn't rare. Civets are now caged and commodified as biomachines for mass Kopi Luwak production. Initially, I was struck by the absurdity of Kopi Luwak, but more than that, I was intrigued by the notion that one little-known animal could be at the nexus of a web of global connections. Coffee is the second most traded commodity on the planet, next to oil. Not only is Kopi Luwak exported around the world, but Kopi Luwak plantations have become popular tourist sites as holidaymakers flock to taste the real cappuccino. Thus, the excrement of this small creature sends social, environmental, and economic reverberations out across the globe. And all this started from an interaction between a coffee bean and the intestines of a civet. Kopi Luwak is but one part of the civet's story. Whilst the civet is elusive, she is inextricably linked to global capital. The more I researched her, the more I found she appeared in many different globalised enterprises, from food production and tourism to the pet trade and zoos. She's enrolled as a worker, entertainer, educator and ambassador. All the while her true character blends into the background without her story fully being heard. My PhD uses the civet as a lens to explore the globalization of animal trade and what this phenomenon means for humans, animals and plants alike. My project highlights animals and plants as world makers in their own right, for they too shape the world as we know it today. In my work I argue that the human-animal divide is untrue, and instead we are joined in networks of trans-species encounter, of shared commonalities across the species divide. Such research is important now more than ever. We live in an era scarred by human activity. If we are to truly build a sustainable future for multi-species flourishing, we must first understand the multifaceted ways in which we are entwined with the natural world.